Okay, so now let's just go over some important directories really quick that you should really be aware of when it comes to Linux. So when you just see slash, that's just the root directory of the system where, pretty much everything starts. Every file and every folder is included in this directory. Then there's slash etc, and this contains, just system configuration files. Slash bin, it contains executable binary files, of all the installed applications. And then there's sbin, contains the executable binary files of important system applications. There's the slash var slash log folder, and it's typically where different syslogs or logs for the system are stored. And then there's the slash home and then the slash username, typically the home directory for the specified user. And this is created, like if you create a new user, it creates this directory for them by default. And if you were to log in, it automatically puts you there as well. So now let's talk about copying and moving files. So this is something else that's probably pretty important as well for you guys. So there's the cp command followed by the file name and then a path. So it's going to place a copy of the indicated file. And you can use a directory and point to that file as well if you want to. It's kind of personal preference, but for me, I like to be in the directory of the file I'm trying to copy and then copy it to somewhere else. So that's what I would like to do. MV file name and then the path where you want to save it at. It moves the indicated file to that path, so it doesn't make a copy, it just moves it. So once you move it, it'll be pretty much deleted or removed out of the folder that it's currently in. So yeah, just please note, don't forget that it's gonna delete the file like in the folder that it's in right now. Don't mess that up. So let's go ahead and test this out really quick. Okay, so we have our test file 2 here. So let's say we want to copy it. So cp, and then you're gonna do test file 2, and then you're going to choose the path. Let's say we want to put it into our desktop folder. There we go. And you saw it actually popped up right there on the desktop. So test file 2 is now there. Now let's say that was a mistake and we want to move it back. So let's say we want to move, and we'll try this from here. You can switch to the same directory, but we can do it from here too. You can do it from anywhere really. So desktop slash test file 2, and then we're going to choose that we want to put it back to home slash Kali. And then it's back in this folder. It is no longer on the desktop. So that's some of the basics of, just copying and moving files. Pretty important to know.